I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming where sharing is coming from so you stop it cleanly. Open Google Photos on the device or web and sign into the exact account that owns the albums. Once done, tap Library, then Sharing to list active shared albums and partner libraries. This tells you which links or people to remove. Make sure to work from the owner account so you can revoke access rather than merely leaving an album yourself. Next, remove access step by step. In a shared album, tap the three dots or people, then remove individual users or disable the share link to break public access. For partner sharing, go to Settings, Partner Sharing, and stop or edit the partner relationship. When you delete the share link or remove a person, Google revokes access to that stream of photos so others won't see future uploads. If you use multiple devices, make sure each one syncs to apply the change everywhere. Finish by verifying the cleanup. Revisit sharing to ensure no active links or people remain, and test with another account if possible. If you still see shared content, sign out and back in, or clear the app cache and force a sync. Sometimes stale data persists locally. Also, inspect other Google accounts you may have used to share by mistake and turn off automatic additions or partner sharing to prevent recurrence. If all else fails, recreate the album privately and move allowed photos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.